Today's topic is History of Computer. Computer is an electronic machine which works very fast and plays an important role in our life. The word computer comes from the word compute, which means calculating. The invention of computer was a great invention, and the computer which we see today are quite different from previous computers. Early counting devices. Do you know that early human beings who lived in jungles, forests, dens, etc., what they used to count and calculate when there was no computer? Okay, let me tell you what they used to count. They used their fingers, toes, stones, pebbles, bones, and stick to count. After counting, they used to write on pillars, stones, trees, etc. Early calculating devices. There are various early calculating devices such as abacus, Napier's bones, Pascaline, Leibniz calculator, Babbage's analytical engine, and tabulating machine. Let's start with abacus. Abacus was invented by Chinese about 5000 years ago. It was the first calculating device. It consists of wooden frame with sliding beads on metal rods for counting. It is used for simple calculations like addition and subtraction. Napier's bones. This device was invented by John Napier in 1617. This device has a rectangular rods marked with numbers on them. It is used for simple calculations like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Pascaline. This calculating device was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. This device is consisted of a box with movable gears. This device could add, subtract, multiply, and divide the numbers very easily. Leibniz calculator. It was invented by Gottfried Leibniz, and this machine is also known as step reckoner. This device is used to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Babbage's analytical engine. This device was developed by Charles Babbage in 1833. Charles Babbage was known as the father of computer. He developed two machines. First in 1822, known as difference engine. He was not satisfied with the difference engine. Then he developed second machine in 1833, known as analytical engine. Analytical engine had 5 key features, that is input, storage, processor, control unit, and output device. All these features are found in today's modern computer. That is why he was known as the father of computer. Tabulating machine. This machine was developed by Hermann Hollerith in 1890. The use of this machine was to count the population of USA, or we can say this machine was used in census. Mark I. It was the first electromechanical computer developed by Professor Howard Aikens in 1944. It was the first computer in the real sense. To input data in this computer, typewriter was used, and for output, punch card was used. ENIAC and UNIVAC. They were the first electronic computers developed by John Mauchly and John Presper Eckert. ENIAC was developed in 1946. Its full form is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Later on, in 1951, both John Mauchly and John Presper Eckert developed another computer known as UNIVAC. Its full form is Universal Automatic Computer. PC-AT. In 1984, the IBM company introduced a personal computer called PC-AT. The full form of PC-AT is Personal Computer Advanced Technology. They are quite small in size, high in speed, more accurate and reliable. Thank you everyone. Hope you liked my video. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel.